You have this beautiful timeline of the perfect music arrangement, but you want to squeeze in a tiny little bit of space without messing everything up. So here's a quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to insert and delete space in FL Studio. Just a quick minute tutorial. Stay around to find out. So to insert and delete space, easiest way is to hop up on the top left, drop down, edit, insert space, slice and insert space, and delete space. The problem is it's all grayed out. Let's say we want to insert space right over here at bar number 37. So you go ahead and use the cut tool. Make sure we slice it all the way down. Everything sliced. And how many bars do we want to insert? Let's just say we want to insert 4. So we select 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now when we go to the drop down on the left, edit, we can insert 4 bars. So you have to select it before you click on insert, before you're able to insert it. Control insert is a shortcut. And voila, beautiful. A nice empty space is created. You can do even more. Let's try doing all of that. That is a lot of space now. A lot of space. And we have even more space. Now, what if we wanted to delete all the space again? So select it all, go back to the drop down and delete space. Done. Otherwise, if you want to insert space without slicing first, you can use this command and it slices for you. You actually don't need to slice first. I tricked you. You can slice and insert. Control Alt insert. So yeah, that's how you do it. Just a quick tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye.